Hey guys, welcome to our second video in the playlist of Crucial Skill series. In this video, we talk briefly about stock marketing, its future, its basic requirements, etc. And just like last time, this time also we approached a senior of our college who knows a lot about this field. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video.
So hi guys, this is Nikhil and I'm a first year undergrad student at BITS Pilani Hyderabad campus. Okay, so before we begin this video, we would like to know about how long have you been trading in stock market and how long have you been investing in the stock market and how much experience do you have of stock market?
Hello everyone, my name is Divyansh Mishra. I'm a third year undergrad student at BITS Pilani Hyderabad campus. So I've been working in this field extensively from the last 2 years, and before this actually my father used to do this part-time, so I had some knowledge about this since my childhood.
So according to you, what exactly is the stock market?
Stock market is basically a businessman's business. So basically, if you understand a business, stock market gives you a lot of opportunity in uh, understanding various different kinds of businesses. So if you are investing into a company, you will definitely want to know what's its business model, how it's working, and other factors involved. Just like you have a grocery store and you go and buy your fruits, groceries, everything from there. Just like that, stock market is a place where buyers and sellers meet to buy stocks and carry out their transactions.
According to you, is it important to learn about the stock market? What type of people should learn about stock market and when should they start?
There's no right time to start learning about stock market. Inflation is increasing, valuations are increasing, businesses are doing good, our economy is doing great. So the earlier you start, the better it is, and it's a good point which you actually brought up, that education, right? No one actually cares about being educated before getting into the stock market. I'll just tell this by an example. Suppose you want to become an engineer. There's a defined curriculum, like you have to go through 8 semesters, you have to give exams, and then you'll get your degree. But when it comes to stock markets, the moment you are 18 plus, you get your demat account and you can just open your account and you can just start placing orders. You can buy, sell, but people don't usually know what they're doing. So education is important here. And what type of people should come to this market? Anyone who is interested in knowing how stock markets work, or they want to make an extra income, anyone like that. Anyone who's interested, basically. There are no restrictions, but as long as you are focusing on knowledge, that's important.
A lot of people consider that this is gonna be hard, or learning this is gonna be really hard. So according to you, is it really hard learning about stock market and trading, or someone can learn it easily?
The definition of hard depends from person to person. If you are passionate about it and this is something which really interests you, you won't find it hard. It's very interesting, and you can do it easily if you are into it.
So our next question would be, from where should a noob learn about stock market?
There are multiple good resources available online, such as Zerodha Varsity. It's one of the few pages which I found to be very helpful during my initial days, since it has all the terms, all the methods of how to trade, and everything mentioned clearly. So one can start following it there, and other than that, you can actually take guidance from someone who has experience from trading in real markets. And finally, I would say that markets are the ultimate teachers, so that's where you'll learn actually. And it's okay, this process takes some time. You can easily give 6 months to 1 year for your learning period. It's all right, and then start off with a small capital.
What do you prefer, reading books about stock market and trading and investing, or taking the training from some experienced person?
This is a good question, and I would say that when it comes to reading from books, you can gain all the technical aspects or the definitions. You can know what actually is involved in a market, all the terms from books. But when it comes to trading, you need to have that experience, and a book can't really teach that. That will come either if you are taking guidance from someone who's actually experienced, or you are actually trading in the markets, in real, like in live markets.
Okay, yeah, so suppose someone learns about stock market. Suppose I learn about stock market and I start trading also. I learn about investing also, and I gain the proper knowledge. So is this gonna be of any help, or how is this going to help me in the future?
See, there are a few advantages. First of all, you can have it as a side income. Okay, if you can do it parallelly along with a job. Second thing, you can actually take it up as a proper career, because what happens is when you are into stock markets, when especially talking if you are a trader and an investor as well, so it will give you the freedom of time. Okay, because the markets are open for like 6 hours 5 days a week. You get all the public holidays, and apart from that, it's like it's your own business, right? So you don't have any boss above you.
Okay, so yeah, a lot of people think that technical analysis in stock market is only for the BTech engineering students. So that's a myth, right?
Yeah, definitely. That's a myth. I have seen many people who are from arts or commerce background, or for that sake, people who are yet in their 10th standard doing great in stock market. So it's all about understanding the price and the behavior of the market.
So coming to the next question, a lot of people nowadays think that if you invest or if you put your money in the stock market, you're gonna lose your money. I mean, a lot of people think that it's gambling. So I mean, what are your views on that?
See, this is a great question. I would say that anything which you don't know completely is gambling, and half knowledge is obviously it's more dangerous. So yes, you can lose your money if you are not aware of what you are actually doing. If someone has proper definitions of their risk, all your risk is managed properly, you know what you are doing, then it's good. You're good to go. But you should know what you're doing. That's the important point. So again, education is what matters here.
The next question would be, how much money can you earn from stock market?
There is no exact answer to this. All I can say is there are all kinds of businesses. Some businesses earn good, some businesses are not doing that great. So it depends on the kind of investments you are making, the kind of risk exposure you have. So there is no upper limit when it comes to stock markets.
And we are following this question. Our next question would be like, should you choose your career as an investor or a trader?
This is a very good question, and again, you can take example from Rakesh Jhunjhunwala or Radhakrishnan Damani. Okay? So what they did was, in their initial days, they were traders and they earned great amount of money, and that amount of money was used to invest in stocks which created wealth. So there's a popular saying that investing helps you create wealth, but trading helps you generate an income. Okay? Because when you are investing, your investment horizon could be up to 5 years, 10 years, 20 years. But when you are trading, you are in and out in maybe one day or a few days, or maybe 30 minutes, 5 minutes. Depends on you.
Yeah, a lot of students nowadays are interested in entrepreneurship, startups, and businesses and all those things. So how does learning about stock market help in that area?
It is good for them, but again, the very point which I am trying to make here is, you should know what you're doing. Like, proper education is a must, and it is really underrated. People just come and try buying and selling, just push a button and you 1,000 stocks bought. That's not how it's done. So proper education is a must.
To conclude this, learning about stock market is really good, and it's gonna definitely improve your skills, and it's definitely gonna earn you money, right?
Yeah, basically you should have the complete information of what you're doing. If you are investing your money somewhere, you should know what are the risks involved in it. Then it's fine.
That is it for today's video. I hope you liked it. Also, if you're interested in stock marketing, do check out the form given in the description below. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye. Take care.